Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel featuring Kevin. We are at the we're at the we're at the nation's capital, IKEA. I need to buy a coffee table, and I haven't done a vlog in a while, so I figured who better to do it with than with Kevin. Hold my hand. He's nervous, guys. Give him a chance. Give him a break, okay? Okay, we're going in.
And if it's really bad, then
the footage? Okay.
Never to be seen again.
We won't be doing anything. I do too, that's what I was just thinking. I'm gonna put like an angelic sound behind this. That's going on the thumbnail. It's a video. Guys, this is the one I want, but not this size. I want like a longer one, like this, but not $300. I found it. Oh, they have black, brown, and white stained oak effect.
Whoa.
My favorite. Guys, do you think I have the room for this in my living room? Comment down below. By the time you comment, it will be purchased, but I just want comments and feedback. He bumps into me. That's gonna be the title of the vlog. He slams into me.
Did you see my face? I was like...
He knocks me down.
Oh wait, here's it in black brown.
That's a lot nicer.
I like the black brown. It's like...
I'm gonna have all sorts of shit. Grill me. Kiss the cook. He goes, do you think my two, 70-pound German Shepherds would tear this up?
Ava's like 90, 100, I don't know.
She's Miss Big.
She is. I don't know, I'm trying to visualize the larger one versus the smaller one.
I meant to get the dimensions before I left, but I didn't.
But it's not like you're gonna have like people running around your,
I
know.
can move it if I have to.
You're gonna have enough room.
I can just move it. I think it'll be fine.
I think it'll be fine. It'll be fine.
Y'all, these plants mirror. The plant mirror. Hello? This plant mirror. Should I try this in my own house? I look like I'm dying in this lighting. Well, you do too now. Oh my god, it has a light.
Oh my god, that's so fancy.
I love that. That way if it's dark, you can just open the drawer and still see everything.
Yeah, you can just see it.
Guys, we're still here. We've been here for 37 hours. Everyone left. We're lost in IKEA.
We're camping out.
We're camping out in the bed section.
That is...
You could put so much stuff in there.
My shoes.
Shush.
That smells like fat chicken.
No, literally, it smells like something good. What if I face planted? What would you do?
Yeah, I would. I don't know what I would do. Have you operated these before?
No. Why am I wet? Guys, I got containers for my flour and my sugar. Then I got this for my my girl dinner and my girl breakfast. Kevin's not getting anything because he's buying dinner.
No.
With my two favorite colors. Are you kidding? Are you kidding me? That's gorgeous. I love that.
I want... Where is this at? It's real. Poor cow. Are we getting burgers later? Wait.
Kevin deleted the picture of the reference that we
I
needed.
didn't. I promise. Let me see. Oh wait.
This thing?
91. Yeah. 00. That's the brown block. Do we gotta? Is it gonna fit? Where are you gonna put it? Are you gonna put it underneath?
Life finds a way.
When there's a coffee table, there's a way.
And that's in the Bible.
It is.
I'm pretty sure.
Facts. I just stand here.
You're holding the camera.
Okay.
That's the most important part of my life.
Oh, you got it. Oh my gosh,
camera.
you're so strong. Oh my gosh.
Okay, guys, we're leaving out the doors.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. I'm sorry.
You're stuck. Show us the menu. We're at Swenson's.
I can't wait.
He got a cheeseburger. I got a cheeseburger. He didn't know if the cheeseburger came with cheese, but I think it does.
I can't with you.
We got a bunch of appetizers. I got a cherry ginger ale, and he got a...
I got a... Did I get the vanilla or the caramel?
I can't remember.
I think the caramel.
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 fucking British freak.
And we got the potato teasers.
Whatever kind of, I hate when restaurants have
Onion
weird
rings.
names for things. Like, be
And
weird.
then fried
Be
mushrooms.
normal.
Which I know you're not gonna eat, so. Are we recording?
Guys, we were stuffing our faces full of Swensons, so we didn't record what we got, but let's give like a
Synopsis.
the burgers were pretty good.
Yeah, they were
The
good.
onion rings were very good. The cheddar cheesers,
Jalapeno.
whatever. The potato poppers were
Spot on. Spot on.
We had to go back and get ranch because I knew that someone would bully me.
I would have I'd rather throw it out the window than eat it without it.
So we will see you guys in the next video, which is probably going to be my Antonio Garza heart cut crease recreation. So we will see you guys then. Peace, y'all.